truck. Tell them 10 felonies, run them up. Tell them I don't give a fuck about a runner up. That's why we bout to run on up like we just always thunderstruck. We been a problem. Build a whole lab, talking if they did it probably. Bought a whole gang and we run on anybody. Bring our own bag, we were born when I hit up the clinic, they said I'm clinically finished. They say I'm just getting started. They say I must be retarded. They said I can't live a minute. Shit, I've been living for hours. I've been a menace, a cop, killing villain, never diminish the power. Inside with towers and castles, battles and showers. And vast tablets devour you plastic rappers. The power to mass masses the King Kong, gorilla, the gold spitter. Dealing the killer, coke to all the dope dealers like. Tell them 10 keys in the truck. Tell them 10 felonies, run them up. Tell them I don't give a fuck about a runner up. That's why we bout to run on up like we just always thunderstruck. We been a problem. Build a whole lab, talking if they did it probably. Bought a whole gang and we run on anybody. Bring our own bag, we were born to die. Now the time to push the understand gone. Half of my brothers on the lockdown, and the quarter about to open up some shop now. Other quarter better gotta hold a spot down. We're the leader that'll shoot the whole block down. About a week ago, Charlie got that access code. Or your email and the brand new Apple phone. We ain't been out of business, we ain't been out of sight, but we still like the motherfuckers and making the cake. I'm a phantom in a phantom. Ghost rider, kill him with a balance. Kilo with a coca boy named the Holly Vallis. Run up on the gang, 44 to keep him challenged. And a shout out to the Heron Guard, keeping on killers. I've been heated young, killer since the sea was sprung. We gon' need to see the coffin when all this shit is done. I'm a dogmatic, still medic, real static, God edit, you habits, Lord over. Tell them 10 keys in the truck. Tell them 10 felonies, run them up. Tell them I don't give a fuck about a runner up. That's why we bout to run on up like we just always thunderstruck. We been a problem. Build a whole lab, talking if they did it probably. Bought a whole gang and we run on anybody. Bring our own bag, we were born to die. Now the time to push the understand gone. Tell them 10 keys in the truck. Tell them 10 felonies.
Let's see it. Go away.
Yeah.
Billie Eilish, I really get it, they really jealous. They fall, I'm hot dog, got silly relish. I smoke and fuck lots like Willie Nelson. My tongue stuck on frogs, I'm really melting. Whoa, colors dripping on me from the ceiling now. They don't know this feeling now. Tried to go to In and Out, but I couldn't read the menu clear. I saw Mickey Mouse, whoa, I saw Minnie Mouse. Golden peeing on Yellow Bunny and spitting out. That bitch has a potty mouth. Coco make you have a snotty nose. Tell the audience adios. Got the audio from the studio when I body those. Now I'm sunning the game, even your mommy knows. Now I'm running the train, even your mommy knows. Mario feel bigger on a mushroom. Doing cardio every minute that I fuck you. Crush you like a nutshell, help me nut boo. Bend over, grab my balls, hot one, hot two. Yeah.
My mama would mix Kalana pins, crush them into taco kits, feed them to all the kids. They would stare at the walls and knit moccasins. I would stare at a dictionary and I watch the shit. I'm the king of the jungle on every continent. The sauce is extra thick but impossible, I get lost in it. The doctor keeps on telling me enemies hate my dominance. As long as I'm the chosen one, I'm blowing up like rocket ships.
Blast off to oblivion, a million in my bank. Eat frogs, that's amphibians. New Crocs, that's a reptile. Best out, yeah, Arabian. I'm in the West now. An alien, I'm from the X-Files. Nobody saving, I'm behaving like a meth child. Fashion statement got me changing different textiles. It's a daily struggle trying to find a desk in a Tesla.